Hi friends, today I am going to solve CSIR previous year question paper. The question is related to 18 counting of electrons and 18 electron rule. The question is, choose the isoelectronic pair among the following. Option A, vanadium hexocarbonyl. B, copper pentahapticity cyclopentadienyl carbonyl. Option C, CO4 minus. Option D, IrClCOPPH3 twice. We already discussed in previous video, there are two methods available to count the electrons of organometallic compounds. The first method is donor pair method. The another method is neutral ligand method. Neutral ligand method is very easy to count the electrons present in organometallic compounds. So, I am going to use neutral ligand method. The question is, choose the isoelectronic pair among the following. 4 organometallic compounds are given. I am going to solve the correct pair by neutral ligand method. Initially, I am going to write the charge of the ligand. According to neutral ligand method, I am going to write the charge of the ligand. First, carbonyl ligand, 2 electron donor. The second one, pentaapto C5H5, pentaapto cyclopentadienyl. C5H5 is a 5 electrons donor. Next, chloride. Chloride ligand Cl minus is a 1 electron donor. Next, triphenyl phosphine PPH3 is a 2 electron donor. Now I am going to count the total electrons present in the given organometallic compounds. First compound is VO6. Atomic number of vanadium is 23. The electronic configuration of vanadium atom, argon 4s2 3d3. Now 5 electrons present in outermost orbital. Now vanadium atom have 5 electrons. Then 6 carbonyl ligands are present in this compound. The charge of carbonyl ligand is, the carbonyl is 2 electron donor. Therefore, 6 carbonyl atoms present. 6 into the charge of carbonyl group is 2 is equals to 12 electrons. The total electrons present in VO6 compound is 17 electrons. Next compound is copper pentaapto cyclopentadienyl carbonyl. Now atomic number of copper is equals to 29. Electronic configuration of copper will be argon 4s1 3d10. Now 11 electrons present in outermost orbital. Therefore, copper atom have 11 electrons. Next, penta-aptocyclopentadienyl. Listen, penta-aptocyclopentadienyl is a 5 electron donor. Therefore, the charge of cyclopentadienyl group is 5. One cyclopentadienyl group is present. Therefore, penta-apto C5H5 is equals to the charge of this group is 5 electrons. Next, one carbonyl group is present in the organometallic compound, 1 CO. Therefore, charge of the carbonyl ligand is 2 is equals to 2 electrons. The total electrons present in this compound is 18 electrons. Next compound is COCO4 minus. Atomic number of Gopal is 27. The electronic configuration of Gopal atom is organ 4s2 3d7. Now 9 electrons present in outermost orbital. Gopal atom have 9 electrons. Next, 4 carbonyl groups are present in this compound. 4 carbonyl group ligands. Therefore, 4 into charge of the carbonyl group is 2 is equals to 8 electrons. Now listen, the charge on the compound is 1 minus. Therefore, the charge on the compound is 1 electron. The total is 18 electrons. Therefore, COCO4 minus have 18 electrons. Next compound is IRClCO PPH3 twice. Iridium is a group 9 or Gopal group element. In group 9, Gopal, rhodium and iridium metals are present. So, the outer electronic configuration of iridium is similar to the Gopal. Listen, the electronic configuration of Gopal is organ 4s2 3d7. The outer electronic configuration of iridium is similar to the Gopal. Therefore, Ns2 Nd7. Therefore, iridium atom have 9 electrons. Next, chlorine Cl minus 1 Cl minus present. Therefore, the charge of chloride ion is 1 electron donor. Next, carbonyl 1 carbonyl. Therefore, 1 into charge of the carbonyl group is 2 is equals to 2 electrons present. Next, triphenyl phosphine 2 ppH3 groups are present. The charge of the triphenyl phosphine is 2. Therefore, 2 into 2 is equals to 4 electrons donor. The total is 16 electrons present in this compound. The question is, choose the isoelectronic pair among the following. The compound A have 17 electrons, compound B have 18 electrons, compound C have 18 electrons, compound D have 16 electrons. Now listen, compound B and compound C both have 18 electrons. Therefore, compound B is isoelectronic with compound C. Finally, the answer is option 2, B and C, the pair B and C.